What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope you're doing well, guys. Went to the gym this morning, little steam, little sauna. Took a shower, and on my way home, it's 28 below outside. My nose hair started to freeze when I would inhale through my nose. I'm leaving in about a week to hotter climates, so I'm really over the frozen wasteland of this part of Canada. There's a lot of beautiful parts of Canada, but the part that I'm in. Anyways, guys, we're going to go over Bitcoin. We're sitting at 43,854. We're sitting at market cap of 827 billion. 24-hour volume to 20 billion, guys. 20.64 billion. We're just going to do a quick analysis here. If you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. All right, gang, we have a little bit of news here, a little bit of a fractal. Let me pop it open here. So this Bitcoin price fractal from 2018 could trap the bulls, sink BTC price to 25K. So basically, they're looking at the dead cat bounce scenario. So first spotted by Crypto Bullet, an independent market analyst, the fractal shows Bitcoin recreating an inverse head and shoulders pattern that preceded its price decline towards 3,100 later in December 2018. As a result, anticipations that BTC's price will undergo similar decline in 2022 might grow. Now, of course, that doesn't mean it has to happen here, but as you can see in 2018, we created a higher high, but there was a bearish divergence on our indicators. This is 2018, then we started to drop. And you can see the similarities in the decline. We created an inverse head and shoulders. We broke out, and then we rolled over. So it's looking at that dead cat bounce scenario for Bitcoin, where we break out and we come back up to about 55K, 60K, and then we roll over. So we will keep a close eye on that, guys. So interestingly, in October 2021, February 2022, Bitcoin underwent an identical price trajectory, forming two higher highs near 65,000 in April and 69,000 in November. Later, the price corrected to below 33,000 in early February while forming another inverse head and shoulders. As you can see here, that's present day price action. And then we have Lark Davis here, very famous YouTuber. Go check him out. And he's talking about the inverse head and shoulders with a price point of over 60,000. So we have been covering that dead cat bounce scenario, guys. We will get into that. It is a possibility, and we'll take a look at that a little bit later in the video. So firstly, we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we had a beautiful breakout, guys. We got back above 43.6K, which is beautiful. We did create a higher high while creating a lower high in the RSI and the hourly, and money started to flow out, which is the early sign of some pullback, and you're starting to see a little bit of a drop here. However, if we do look on the 4 hour time frame, we're a little bit overextended from the EMAs. So hopefully we can hold this support of 43.6K or just come a little bit lower here, find support along the EMAs, and see continuation back to the upside. You can see on the daily, we're back above the 55 EMA. So as long as we can stay above the 55 EMA and hold it as support, and we start to bounce, what's going to happen here is the 20 EMA will catch up, we'll have the bullish cross, and we can begin our breakout from this inverse head and shoulders with a technical target of 61,000. So what we have to watch here, what this article was talking about, is us bouncing up and hitting resistance probably right around 51K, or quite possibly a little bit higher at about 53,000. See the resistance in this area, and going through that dead cat bounce scenario, that will bring us much, much lower. So if we do come up to these levels of resistance, I'm going to be looking to take profits on my trades as well as my little HODL positions. Honestly, my HODL positions sometimes don't last very long, but a lot of coins I've been dollar cost averaging into at these levels, and I've just left alone for this pump here. I'll most likely look to take profits right around that 51 to 55K level, just to protect myself if we do see that dead cat bounce scenario. Of course, we'll see warning signs like bearish divergences and things like that. However, if we can come up and we break this high at 52,000, we break the resistance at 54,000, and we can start heading all the way up to 69,000, then we can completely invalidate that dead cat bounce, and we can see our third wave of demand as well as our fifth impulsive wave with our Elliott wave theory, as we've been covering on the channel, guys. I won't get too into that just because I covered it in so many videos already that I don't want to bore you guys. But we are waiting for that third demand wave as well as that fifth impulsive wave that we've seen in every single bull market. All right, guys. So that's basically it. Just a quick little update for BTC. What we want to see here is we can hold the support of the EMAs, especially on the daily. The 55 EMA, let me just open this up. The 55 EMA is coming in at about 43.2K. So as long as we can hold that level of support, then we're looking strong for continuation. If we were to break down, your next strong level of support is all the way down at 42.1K. But hopefully what we see here is we hold the EMAs and we see continuation to the upside. Your next major level of resistance is about 45.6K, and then 47.5K is the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. And it does look like there's a bit of support and resistance in that area as well. And then we have the golden ratio, major level of resistance coming in about 51, 52K for BTC. So that's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,800 members actually, talking all things crypto. We have daily buy and take profit zones if you want a dollar cost average into your altcoins, as well as the live DCA trades on the channel, the DCA trade strategy fully explained, and over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. You can also follow me on IG if you want to keep up with my personal life, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.